going on, y'all? SES, and we back with another one. Going 285. I gotta drop this car off at my house at the shop. Like, it's what I was telling y'all, man. It's really time. When the repeat customers come, and you still getting new customers, cars coming from out of town. Man, it's just time, man. But taking this Cutlass back. This is a repeat. I didn't even record this car at first because it was a simple job. This console, a back deck. Hold on, light it up. Just a console, a back deck, and a rewire for the system, which is only 6 speakers. The 2 in the back deck, the 2 in the doors, and then the 2 that's in the dash, they was connected to the radio, and then the tweeters. I've upgraded those tweeters, but y'all excuse the wind. I'm trying to talk as loud as I can, but nobody really use these intellitronics gauges. That be like for when you just get your car, you want to put something in there, just something for the time. That's when everybody start putting these gauges in there. All right, man, made it to the house, man. Yeah, like I say, man, it's time. It's time, man. Go ahead and move, cause the work is keep growing. What's up, baby? See. Do you remember this car?
Yeah, the one you're driving?
Yeah, this one. Like I say, the intellitronics, man, nobody really keep these in their car. And the reason why is they go out. And what do I mean they go out? Look at the LEDs on the tag. The fuel pressure is reading, oil pressure is reading 0.
You made this console, Dad?
The fuel, yeah, I made that. She said the fuel just do whatever it wants. Then overall, it's not what's up to date, you know. Eventually, like, you end up not wanting it because it don't do what you need it to do. Me, I bought one. It worked like crap. I did limited lifetime warranty and got an exchange. I put that one in my car, and the LEDs went out. Like, cause the first one, something wasn't reading right. I forgot. When I got the replacement, I put it in, and the LEDs went out. I was like, I ain't putting this in my car. So y'all, how I test. There's multiple different ways to do it though. It's just my way. We probably could, no, we don't gotta turn on nothing on this, actually. We can just connect this to the amp. So this is this is something you definitely wanna have in your shop. This is a pair, hold on, let me put the light on. All right, this is a pair of RCAs with the headphone jack, but you could get the iPad set up. Your iPod in an adapter with it too. Believe it or not, these still work. I like them push the radio against the wall. So let's see what we get. I think it's out because it should have been like dook, dook. I don't think the speaker's blown. Yeah, amp blown. Pretty sure. Yeah, ain't getting nothing. Yeah, amp definitely blown. Yeah, like I was saying, this is LS swap also. And this was one of those fire cars, just like this one. Like, this one was a potential fire car. This car was melting wires. I remember when I told her, she said, "It's doing it again." Same thing he said when I said, "Your gauges went out, the wire slipped." He said, "Dang, it's doing it again." Or your fuel stuck on the headers. It's doing it again. Like, they be knowing that stuff, man. Y'all supposed to tell people that stuff. Your car doing something crazy, because you could potentially be putting other people's stuff at risk. Okay. That's more like it. That's more like it. Yeah, this one swapped too. And got AC. Nice car. I believe you got an OBD2 port somewhere. Oh yeah, found it. OBD2 port. OBD2 port. Amen. All right. Now if this work, which I more than likely believe it does. Yeah, everything will be working. Woo, Lord! Hey, I got the bezel and everything off and the gauges off, and then I was hoping they didn't just cut the factory harness, but they did. So now we'll manually go through these one by one, and shoot, gonna get it wired. Damn, I was hoping they didn't do that. That's crazy. I'll turn my music on. We're gonna go through these things and get what we need and clean up what we don't. All right, man, I'm back here. Y'all can see stuff got duct tape, electrical tape, got butt connectors that's not tight. Got wires being able to straight be pulled out of the connections. It's just crazy, man. It's crazy. All right, back on this dash, man. So power wire was the only thing I could use out of what I had. I used my old ground that I did for the LEDs. These are all the other wires that was on here. Some I can cut short, some I can disconnect under the hood, some I'm gonna try my best to just take everything that can be used and clean it up. But these, my fresh wires, my new wires, all these, and then it's the old wire I'm gonna throw in here since it's red. I got a spool of red wire, but it's really no point because shoot, it's red and it's good. So I'm gonna cut these down to length once I actually mount the box. I just connected everything and I just want to make sure everything working like it's working before I hard mount it. I haven't even been on this car 2 hours, man. I'm proud of myself. Definitely getting shit done. Get faster, man. That's what I'm telling people. I can do certain stuff different. I'm getting faster. Negative post on the battery. Let's see. Cut this light off back here behind me. Is the e-brake on? Say check e-brake. I gotta go see what's the e-brake. Oh, the dimmer ain't the dimmer. The brake ain't the brake. So I gotta go test some stuff. All right, I just set the fuel. Let's see what we get. All right. She got way more fuel than she thought. She thought it was at 25%, but yeah, these are way more accurate than Intellitronics. There's no doubt about it. But I'm about to pull this out so I can diagnose the dim, and brake. I think that's it. So it's just some 2 wires. I gotta figure out what's what. I gotta take this back off, unwrap everything, and test. Show y'all this. Oh shoot, battery terminal loose. All right, man, show y'all this just installed. Got a hard wire to oil the motor too hot, so let me tell y'all, I ain't touching no hot motor. I used to do that when I used to think I used to be badass. The brakes, that's one I missed. I ain't even gonna cap, I missed the damn brakes. I'm finna take it all back apart just so I can get that one. Y'all know me, I try to get everything working. I don't know how I missed it. And then I gotta route everything how I do. I ended up taking what I took apart for the brake to work. I did it from the e-brake, so that's working. And then the dim for the parking lights, I connected to the parking lights. It don't cut off, so that's something I gotta figure out real quick. It ain't gonna take long though. Quick work. Let me knock it out real quick. Alright, man, y'all see what time it is. I'm gonna turn to another day. Gotta put this in the house garage. Tomorrow I'm gonna clean up everything. Everything with the dash is done. And like I said, I fixed that. And the lights cut on and off with the car lights. Light work, easy work. I already had turn signals working and the brake showed y'all all that. But I'm gonna put it in the house garage right now. Oil is the only thing left and calibrate the thing. Set the time. I set the miles. Let's see if I can show y'all that I set the miles. Yeah, there you go. Boom. That's what they was on, so I just put it right back. Alright, put this boy in the house garage. Yes, sir. So I told her already about this amp blown. So I'm done in the trunk. Let me get my wires out. Hook everything back up. Told her I recommend it just for time and money purposes. Everybody ain't on the budget. I think she want to wait. She want to get something better. I don't know if she want to upgrade the speakers in the amp, but I told her for now she can get a audio pipe, like a 1200 audio pipe, because it's a 1200 on that right now. 200 watt audio pipe. Be back banging. It's only like $120. But I don't know. Just let her figure out what she wanted to do. But I'm gonna get to taking this off. And then I'm gonna let the motor cool back off. It ain't that hot, but like I said, I don't like touching hot motors no more.
Hurry up, Pete. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P. Cop new helmets for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot at puff spot. Jet for peace. Drop the dot and now we plant. Beside the peace. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a P. Push a P. On capital P, I write the president. Count president. Push a P. On her knees. Mopping down the P. She let me squeeze if she leave. Cause she keep the P. Privacy, privacy.
Okay. Let's see, man. I'm about to move this car over because I be on the floor and I ain't trying to be in the mud. But the oil should be working. Yep, everything ain't working. Yeah. Left, right. I know I keep them brakes working. Well, yeah, everything working like it should. I'm finna get the module and all the rest of these wires. I pulled out a few wires. This one was kind of hard to clean up like I would because they tied it all into the they tied them all into a harness. So stuff for the remote start, stuff for the alarm and all that. So I ain't really want to unravel all that and then be under the hood and just make a problem for myself. So did what I was asked to do, gauges, install, and clean. And yeah, so now I'm about to clean up all of this. It ain't even all of, it's just this, and this. So I'm gonna shorten what I need. We'll put these two together. And the switch, I always put my switch in this area for the settings and stuff. All right, we at the finish line with this car, man. About 10 minutes I'll be done all the way. car's going back to the owner. Coming out my personal house garage, going on my trailer. I got a ride to get it. But I'm gonna take it back on my trailer. What you think?
I like it better. So the engine light, that shit just gonna stay on.
Yeah, unless you disable the codes
Oh yeah, no,
that's in the computer. You gonna need. All right, y'all. I'm coming back, man. Close out the video. So she was happy. She was like, "Yeah, this is clean as fuck," and I couldn't figure it out. And when I put it on the trailer, this is what clicked in my head. The person who put the computer in the car with the swap did not put the tire size, rim size, gear ratio. You have to put that in. You got an LS swap, you got to put that in your computer if you want any gauges to read correctly. Yeah, that was the thing. I really take one car at a time, and I have another car in that car, so I just didn't want to lengthen the stay of the car. I said, I'm gonna bring your car back tomorrow. And I had that car in the personal garage, so that's something that we could do another time, which it'd probably be fast, but still, like, it didn't click till it was too late. I had already said I'm on my way. And parked on the trailer, but y'all here loading in the dog playing. But yeah, man, SCS. I'm hanging my kids for a little bit, but then I'm going back out later tonight if I'm not too tired. If I am too tired, done deal. I'll go back tomorrow. SCS, man, man.
I'm up, baby. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P. Cop new hammers for my beat. We don't want no peace. Got a spot at puff spot. Jet for peace. Drop the dot and now we plant. Beside the piece. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a P. Push a P. On capital P, I write the president. Count president. Push a P. On her knees, my banana P. She let me squeeze and she leave.